What's up, YouTube? Been a minute. Today we're going to do a front pad job on a 2020 Nissan Rouge. Pretty easy. So I'm going to take you through the steps. Alright, first thing you know, we're going to pull the wheel off. Safety first. Got the floor jack and the jack stand. Oh, little different thing here. My daughter's going to do the brake job. It's her car. So she's got a flat tire under her belt now. So now it's going to be a brake job. Let's see how it goes. All right, first thing we did, we used the impact. Now use the impact.
What is that?
That there. Make sure you're square on the nut. Push it straight in. Make sure before you pull the trigger. Now you want to spin it a little bit until you feel it. Now you're pushing it. Go ahead. There you go. All right, go to the next one. All right, on occasion, you got all the nuts off. Sometimes it'll be hard to see if you can pull the wheel off. All right, that's fine. I don't say if you can't, then you just kick the side of the tire. All right, on the left side, you want to turn the wheel all the way to the left. Make it a little bit easier for you to access the brake. Keep turning. Full lock. All right, this is, I'm gonna remove these two bolts here, and they're 14 millimeter. Make sure you're straight. Alright, I'll pull the bolts out. Alright, now she got those two bolts out. We'll set the caliper up top. You want to make sure you never put stress on that hose. If you need to, you can hang it up with a bungee cord or something. Alright, now you're going to remove the old pad. Just pull the top side first. It comes right out and pick it up. Alright, y'all, note to be made. These Nissans have this spring that gives a little bit of outward pressure on the pad to make sure that they don't hang. Actually, it's a pretty nice design. So here's the new one. I set them first. Put the spring on. The thing you have to remember is the end of the spring here has to point up. Yeah, these two point up. So basically, pop the old one out. New one goes in. All right, I did the bottom one, so I'm gonna let her do the top one. So basically just slide it on in. All right, perfect.
Wait, don't record it.
Yes, you do. When you put it in there, you want the spring to be pushing out on the pad. Top one went in. Hold on, you might have to push the spring in. Push it in, because the spring want to push out on the pad. And then slide over and push in on that one. Pushing on the spring a little bit. See, you got the spring on the outside.
I know, I can't.
Pull the top out, but to keep the bottom in, just rock it.
Just push that in.
There you go.
Like that?
Yeah, I mean, it'll come in. So when the springs is right, you can probably push out on it to keep it from dragging. If he's putting in there, this tab right here, it's going to grab the inside of this spring tab. It would go in there, and then it would be spring loaded like that. That wants to pop it out. But you have it in the bottom. All right, I took one of the old pads, push it against the piston, and then flip that upside down. Did you push that in? Pull this out.
I don't know.
Yeah, he's starting playing with tools. That's what happened. Yeah, then push it into the piston, won't move anymore. Come on, squeeze it, woman.
That's all I can squeeze.
Come on, you go to the LA Fitness. You can do it. It's going in. All right, that's it. That's good. All right, pull that out. All right, yeah, now you want to install your caliper. And these here, you got these, see these flats?
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna line them up. Same thing with the bottom. Hang on, I don't feel right. I'm gonna turn this. All right, pick up on them. All right. Now you can start one of the bolts. Start the top bolt. All right, getting your caliper bolt started.
Is this like, it's like kind of, is that on good?
Well, it'll tighten out. You just got it finger tight. Over here with the impact, you good. It's straight because you wouldn't have been able to turn that much by hand. Now wait, gotta switch this. All right.
Recorded?
We live, baby. All right, now go to the bottom. Don't tighten it all the way up. All right, go to the top. That's not tight enough. Now you want to go up and hit it a little more. One more time. All right, go to the bottom. Always remember, don't stop. You did the brake job. All right, now we want to run them down with the impact. My final checking with the breaker bar. Do a little star pattern. All right, y'all, what you think? Our first official brake job.
Easy, slight work, put me to sleep.
Okay, we'll see. As long as you don't go through the stop sign at the bottom of the street, we'll be good. As usual, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Until next time. Peace.